As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two portable propane grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Weber Q1000. What's the deal with these things?
Okay, so both are tabletop propane grills, but they're pretty different. The Bighorn is all about high heat. I mean, it boasts a 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared burner.
Wow, 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit? That's intense. What's the Weber got?
The Weber Q1000 is more of a classic propane grill. It only goes up to 8,500 BTUs, compared to the Bighorn's 19,000 BTUs. So definitely not as powerful when it comes to searing.
Okay, so Bighorn is for searing steaks like a pro. What about cooking area?
The Weber has a slightly larger cooking surface, around 189 square inches, while the Bighorn is about 143. So if you're grilling for more people, the Weber might be slightly better.
Got it. And what are they made of? Are they both stainless steel?
Both are primarily stainless steel, but the Weber also uses porcelain enameled cast iron for the cooking grates, which is great for even heat distribution and cleaning. The Bighorn is all stainless steel, making it dishwasher safe, which is a nice bonus.
Dishwasher safe is a plus. What about portability? They're both tabletop, right?
Yep, both are designed to be portable. The Weber is a bit lighter, at 27.5 pounds compared to the Bighorn's 30.86 pounds. And the Weber is slightly larger dimensionally.
Okay, so Weber is lighter and has a larger cooking surface, but less powerful. What about ignition?
The Bighorn has pulse ignition, which they call windproof. The Weber has a simple push-button ignition. Both are pretty reliable.
And price? Is there a big difference?
The Bighorn is usually cheaper, around $199, while the Weber is about $229. So, price-wise, Bighorn has an edge.
Okay, sounds like the Bighorn is great for searing and high heat, but the Weber is better for overall grilling and portability.
Exactly. It depends on what you're looking for in a portable grill. If you want steakhouse quality searing, go for the Bighorn. If you want a more versatile and slightly larger grill, the Weber Q1000 is a solid choice. And, don't forget, the Weber has a ton more customer reviews.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.